Hey guys, what's going on? This is Native the Tater. It's been a while. I haven't been making any videos. I've been busy with a couple of things like my job and stuff, and school's been starting back and everything. And I'm gonna catch y'all up on what I've gotten so far with packages wise, since it's like, I don't know, a 7th or 8th video. But basically, I've been getting a couple of things. I recently got me a PS2. Even though I should probably get in a PS4 or Xbox One, but I don't have the money at the moment, and internet here is not that good either. So I'm gonna catch y'all up on what I have with me, and then I'll talk about like with the other things. So basically, over this like year, I've gotten this hat. It's Goku's hat. I think Krillin wears all the time. It has like the emblem of Dragon Ball Z and everything. It's pretty cool. I like it. It's a snap-on, like it is, a flat top. And then I got this in today. It's like a puzzle snake. It's called a Rubik's snake, but it's supposed to be compared to like a like what's the things called? The Rubik's cubes. Yeah, Rubik's cubes. See, it comes like this. I think I have another one just like this. I don't know where I put it. It's orange, but this one feels much weirder than the other one I have. The other one's way smoother than this one, and I don't know what's wrong with this. But it's pretty cool. Yeah, I got it in. I got this from Amazon. It's like it carries in my. It carries in my charger and my earbuds and stuff for my iPhone, so it's pretty convenient. I got another one just like it, but it's a circle and it's red. But it can carry more. I got a couple of games for my PS2 that I got in the mail as well, and I think that's it. For my PS2, I got Agent Clank. That's pretty fun. Madagascar, and I think that's it. Don't think I got anything else. Oh, and this thing too. Got this. It's like a little squishy thing. I thought it looked cute, but it's like it says cappuccino coffee. It's a little cat, so it's pretty cute. I think that's all I'm gonna cover today because I have nothing else planned, and plus I've got work. And yes, I do have another job because of course my YouTube won't allow me to have like it won't let me make money off of these videos unless I'm 18 or older to have ads put into my videos to make money. And it wouldn't let me do it before because I wasn't old enough. But I'm old enough now to be able to do that kind of stuff. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please give a thumbs up in this video, a like, subscribe if you're new to my channel, share with your friends, and see you guys in my next video. So goodbye.